Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome protocol MassContactAI, which is the world's first ChatGPT powered multi-channel autoresponder that combines the power of email, SMS and WhatsApp to skyrocket your reach, sales and profits by sending unlimited emails, messages and texts without any restrictions and getting banned. Also, our intelligent AI does all the work for you in seconds. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hello everyone, well, this is a quick demo just to give you an idea of how it works and what we're going to be doing with this. So MassContactAI is an autoresponder, right? It allows you to send and upload unlimited leads, unlimited SMS leads, WhatsApp leads, and the same thing, and the email leads, and email them using templates. So the process works very simple, right? You can see the tabs right here. Done for you offers and swipes is something you're going to be using a lot because it gives you done for you offers that you can promote. Here's different upsells, but we're going to touch specifically on the messaging, the contacts, and the templates. So first and foremost, you want to add contacts. If you have the upsell of traffic edition, that can help you with that. But if you don't, you can simply go ahead and upload into a group. You can upload your leads. So we're going to go into contacts, add new contact one by one, or we can just import using a CSV file and we're good to go. Then once you have that, before you go and start sending out messages, you gotta have messages ready. Now you can go ahead right now, right? You can go ahead, send an email and then prepare everything right here, or you can go ahead and create a template. So we're gonna go and create an email template. I highly recommend you go through this process, create templates instead of going ahead and creating each time one by one, simply because you can reuse that again and again and again, and you're going to be reusing successful messages many times. All right, so yeah, ChatGPT 3 templates. You can go ahead and create a template here. You can go directly and ask ChatGPT to write you something, right? Like write me a poem, darling, or something like that, right? You can of course do that. It's going to be funny and nice, but if you want to make sure that whatever you create is high converting, you're going to go for the dumb free email prompts. We're gonna slide this into 20, and we can see what kind of requests we can have. Very specific requests to ChatGPT. So composes a sales email introducing a new product line handling its unique features. I'm gonna click on this. It's gonna generate us. Once we take it, it's gonna take about 40 seconds from my experience. It can be faster or slower. All right, it's ready, and we have the subject line ready. So in the full demo video, you can see the entire process of how I take this template and turn it into specific to offer and high converting template. Go ahead and watch that. But just to see how this works in a nutshell, so you go ahead, take this, it's the subject line, put it right here. If you like it, great, use it as is. If you don't like it, change it, right? If you go to the full demo video, you can see exactly how it works. And here you have the template. This template is proven to convert. It's easy on the eye. It's easy on the click getting section of the email, and it's basically ready. You want to customize this with your specific product. So if you have a traffic product, you want to customize it with those benefits of that product. In the full demo video, you'll see that I went to the sales page of the product that I'm promoting, which is Hyperlist, and made the changes right here. You can do the same thing. Go to whatever sales page or JV doc or whatever resources you have about the product you're promoting and put it right here in the needed sections. Right after you finish editing this and changing this and all that stuff, and it's good to go, you can submit and you have the template ready. Then you go into bulk email, bulk SMS, or bulk WhatsApp. In our case, we created an email template. I'm gonna go and send email. We're gonna choose from from the templates. So this one that we saved, where's the one we saved? Right, this one. I'm gonna click on this. We got this saved. We want to make some quick edits to make it readable, right? We want to make it pretty, just the usual edits, yada yada yada. Make it pretty, make it nice, make it smooth. add a call to action, add your link, your affiliate link, etc., and you're good to go, right? You can select from which group you want to email, which is the entire list, or just to one person. If you're working with high-level clients, like high-ticket clients, $1,000, $2,000 deals, $500 deals sometimes, then you want to go and mail them one by one, simply because you can customize each message to each and one of them, increase your chance of closing. But if you are just mailing a list of 10,000, 20,000 people, you can choose the list right here. And that's it. It's super simple. You can, of course, recreate or create from scratch right here using the done for you everything. And you're good to go. You can send now, send later, submit, and it's going to be sent. And that's it. And then when you go to the dashboard, to the main dashboard, you're going to see how many SMS, messages, emails, etc. have been sent to your audience. And that's it. It's super simple. MassContactAI is an autoresponder which comes with everything you need to make money, to get the list up and running, and send them unlimited emails, unlimited messages instantly. And it's good. It's good. It's good stuff. It's a very effective one. It's going to save you a lot of money on autoresponders, as well as going to make you good money relatively easy, because really, as you've seen, give or take a few edits, which you can see in the full demo video, it's a very quick and simple process, and you're good to go. It's really not complicated at all. So enjoy this 3-in-1 multi-purpose autoresponder and make some money. All right. Thank you very much for watching this. Bye bye.